In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the RTC connecting issue in Discord. Now, this error usually occurs due to a network issue, but luckily there are a few steps that we can take to fix this. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Discord application and click on the settings icon in the bottom left-hand side. Then from here, scroll all the way down on the left to voice and video. And then right at the bottom of this page, you'll see this button here for reset voice settings. So we're just going to go ahead and select that and then press OK to confirm. Once you've reset your voice settings, you can close out of the Discord application. And then we need to come over to the start menu and search for Task Manager and click on the Task Manager window. In the search box at the top, search for Discord, and you just need to close down any processes relating to Discord. So you can see I have this one here. We're going to right click on this and select End Task. And once you've shut down all processes relating to Discord, you'll also need to make sure you're closed out of any VPNs or proxies that you might be connected to. If you're not using a VPN, an alternative would be to try connecting to a VPN, and sometimes this can also fix the issue. And once you've done that, we're going to head back over to the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on Command Prompt and run as administrator. Inside of this window, you need to type in the following command: ipconfig /flush DNS, and hit enter. This is just going to clear all of our network cache, and then we can close out of this. And then you can try launching up the Discord application and checking if that's now fixed the issue. Another thing you can do to fix this is if you're the owner of the Discord server, then we're just going to head over to our server like so. And once you're inside of your channel, you just need to right click on the channel you're trying to use, come down to edit channel and scroll all the way to the bottom here. And where you see this region override, we're just going to change this from automatic to one of the countries. So you can try changing this to Brazil. Then click on Save Changes, and that should have now fixed the RTC connection issue. Now, another thing we can do if that still hasn't solved it is you can close out of the Discord application, head over to your start menu and search for settings, click on the settings window, and then from the left select network and internet, scroll down to advanced network settings, and then head over to network reset from this list, and you can just press reset now, and that's going to reset all of your network settings, and sometimes this can also solve the issue. Now, if you have tried everything and it's still not working, there could be a server issue with Discord itself. So to check this, you just need to head over to an internet browser and type in Discord server status and hit enter. Click on the official discordstatus.com website, and this is going to go and tell you if there's any issues with Discord servers themselves. Obviously, if the Discord servers are down, this could be the reason why you're not able to connect. And that's it, guys. By following all of the steps in this video, that should have now fixed any RTC issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.